The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature flatter sides and rounded corners, which significantly alters the phone's look and feel, lending it a more modern and premium vibe. As seen in these new renders published by Ice Universe, reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be about 14 grams lighter than the S24 Ultra, a notable reduction in weight, which goes a long way in making the new device more comfortable to hold, particularly during prolonged use. Interestingly, despite the reduction in the overall footprint of the phone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain roughly the same display size as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with some reports even hinting at a slight size increase. This will be achieved through slimmer bezels, allowing Samsung to maintain a large display without making the phone bulkier. Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series has always been known for its camera capabilities, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to push the boundaries even further. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra already boasts an impressive camera system, the S25 Ultra will bring several upgrades, particularly to its ultra-wide lens. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a significant upgrade from the 12-megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new ultra-wide sensor will come equipped with a 1/52 sensor with a pixel size of 0.7 microns and an f/1.9 aperture. These specs indicate that the S25 Ultra will be able to capture more detail and perform better in low-light conditions, thanks to pixel binning technology. Pixel binning combines smaller pixels to form larger ones, effectively increasing light sensitivity and improving image quality. Another notable upgrade is the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ability to record 8K video using both its main and ultra-wide cameras. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra excelled at ultra-wide photography, it was limited in its video capabilities due to the lower resolution of the ultra-wide sensor. The new 50-megapixel lens changes the game, allowing for 8K recording and offering users the option to capture ultra-high-definition footage with a wider perspective. In addition to offering the same charging speed, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to feature the same battery capacity as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which lasted a full day under heavy usage and about a day and a half with moderate use. While this is sufficient for most users, some had hoped for a larger battery that could extend usage times even further, especially with a growing reliance on smartphones for work, entertainment, and communication. There were whispers of Samsung possibly adopting silicon carbide batteries in future devices, similar to what some Chinese manufacturers are doing in their premium phones. Silicon carbide batteries offer higher energy density and improved efficiency, potentially leading to longer battery life and faster charging times. However, this technology won't be making its way to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, at least not in the upcoming release. But despite having the same battery capacity, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be able to offer more screen time than the Galaxy S24 Ultra due to the more power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. And don't forget about the rumored add battery feature that's said to extend battery life by 10%. Another area where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could have a negative impact is the price. While Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series has always been priced at a premium, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could see an even steeper price tag due to rising component costs, particularly the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. According to leaks, the new chipset could cost around $240 per unit, which represents a 20.68% increase compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This increase in cost is expected to be passed on to consumers, leading to a higher retail price for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As for when we might see the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung typically releases its S-series devices early in the year, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to debut in January next year. This timeline aligns with previous Galaxy S Ultra releases, which have generally occurred in the first quarter of the year. With that said, based on the available leaks and rumors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a refined and powerful smartphone with several notable improvements over its predecessor. While design changes are subtle, they bring a sleeker and more modern feel to the device. And while the anticipated price increase may deter some buyers, those who are invested in the Samsung ecosystem or seeking a top-tier smartphone with the latest tech will likely find the S25 Ultra to be a strong contender. As always, the final judgment will come once the device is officially released, but until then, do consider subscribing to the channel for all the latest news regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.